train is currently going 349 kilometers an hour. So we're still not 100% sure what we got. It translates to pork
chops
curry. Welcome to Beijing! We are at the Suzhou North train station, and in our last video we left you with the question, are we at the right station and are we going to make our train? Well, we still don't know. We grabbed some coffees. We are waiting until check-in opens for what we think is our train.
So, all good.
Giving the caffeine. And now we wait. We're done with our coffees and we spotted our train number on the board. It is such a relief.
Okay, we're fine. Everything is fine.
Check-in opens about 10 to 15 minutes before the train departs. So we're gonna sit here in the waiting area. There's screens on the seats, but we don't know what it does. At least you can charge your phone. And there's a iPhone plug and an Android plug. Come on.
Pretty cool.
This place keeps amazing us with their technology.
We are just waiting for boarding. So the sign behind us, when it goes green, they check your tickets and go through. So
We're through security, we did it, but there was a moment there where she couldn't scan my passport. It didn't read it, so my heart stopped for like a few seconds. We're getting on this train. It was expensive. It's a long journey, so thank goodness.
now we wait. You can see it arrive. It's fun. We're trying to find carriage 3, so I think it's the side by the signs.
Craig almost nailed this like spot on. We're on carriage number 3 and we were waiting by carriage number 4. Close enough. As long as everyone's on, the train goes. We're not even at our seats yet. It's a bit of a congestion right now.
Yeah.
This train is full. We're in second class today. So it's still a lot of space, but less than there was in first class.
Yeah.
Now we can relax.
I hope you don't need anything out of that bag, because that was a mission.
So with the other train, there was space, like a baggage storage area, but on this one, Craig had to lift it up and put it all the way up there.
Lucky we carry lots. So. Well, I carry lots.
Excuse me. We have packed so light, I'm all out of clothes. It's a lot tighter here than the train we took yesterday.
Yeah.
Well,
that's because
the class we took yesterday.
First class yesterday, so second class today, but it's still
The
comfortable.
seats are like narrow.
Yeah.
A lot narrow, so like I'm touching the sides. And the girl next to me is just like sitting like it's a massive chair. There's a QR code which you can scan with Alipay, and then it takes you to all your train information, like the routes, the estimated arrival time and all of that. And I think you can order food on here. It says catering service, so we're going to try that later. This is how we level up in life, is figuring things out, and that is why we love travel.
Love it.
We've stopped at Nanjing South Station. First stop so far. The board says it's 31 degrees outside. It's going to be hot in Beijing, I think.
Yep. It's going to be warm.
train is currently going 349 kilometers an hour. We are just north of Nanjing and it's very green. I see a few farmlands, lots of trees, and here and there like mountains. Oh wait, tall buildings coming up. We picked up the camera too late, but we're seeing the most random things every now and again. We just saw a giant sphinx and a Ferris wheel, which looked like a theme park with nothing else around it. It's just like green, like bush, what do you call it, forest.
Yeah, we are also going through a number of tunnels and trains passing us so quickly. I think the trains are like over 400 meters long. When they pass in the other direction, it's like 2 seconds.
This train is 450 something meters.
Wow, crazy.
You can order food through an app, but we didn't really know what anything was. The translations are weird. So we took a walk to the dining hall and I'm glad we did. So we're still not 100% sure what we got. It translates to pork
Chops?
curry.
Pork curry?
So we got one to share. Another thing you can do is order takeaways. So like Burger King, KFC, or there's multiple options. And then at the next station, they'll deliver it. But then the train attendants will bring it to your seat. There's pieces of chili in there. I gotta be careful.
There's water in the bottom here that keeps it warm. Because look, it's like that's the bottom.
Yeah.
There's big pieces of chili. It's about 10 minutes to go before we're in Beijing, so yeah, train ride was pretty good.
Just to give you perspective, the distance from Shanghai to Beijing is around about 1,200 kilometers and it took us 4 hours. Now a lot of you are watching from New Zealand and South Africa, so for perspective, that is further than Cape Reinga to Wellington in the north, the length of the North Island of New Zealand, and it is quicker than driving from Durban to Joburg, and it's more than twice the distance of Durban to Joburg.
Pretty cool.
Amazing.
And the views have been pretty awesome. We've gone through some big cities. I mean, the two cities we stopped at both had a population of over 8 million people, which is crazy. So yeah, so we're just in the outskirts of Beijing now, and
we're arriving at the capital.
Arrive at the capital, then we'll find we'll check public transport, how we can get to our hotel. So yeah.
We haven't figured that out yet. We'll do that when we
get there. With beautiful blue skies.
I need a video.
Cool.
Welcome to Beijing.
Can you believe it? We are here.
So you're not allowed to smoke on the train. So everyone's just lighting up here on the platform.
They're lost.
Yo!